I do not know how to say your name, and I apologize. Um, I can say Perez, maybe. Mr. Perez. Anywho, so you're a 3D artist, so not really in any specific direction. Um, right off the bat, I think your environment work is really strong. I remember I've actually and this is a testament to being really active in the Discord in our little art community. If you're active in there, you will be remembered. You know what I mean? Astraga, thank you for the follow. Um, so yeah, I specifically remember seeing this scene. I remember looking at this. I remember looking at this and this one, and you received feedback really well, and you adapted things and changed stuff. So I guess it's more about like, well, you'd say that there's nothing specific to focus on your portfolio. I think looking at this and trying to understand what you want to do. Right now you're a 3D artist, so it looks like you're kind of doing everything, and you're even showing characters. So that's pretty impressive. This one is one of my all-time favorites from the Discord, if I'm going to be honest, because it's got material variation. It's got some creepy photos on the walls. It's got nice prop representation. Um, it's telling story. Yeah, I really like the scene. Now there's a lot of geometry. I guess you didn't go for like making this real time in that sense. Yeah, dude, Lightwave 3D, that's amazing. People still use Lightwave, and there's nothing wrong with that because it still works. I don't know what F prime is. I'm gonna look into that. So, in general, I guess just looking at the geometry, if you're gonna go for bakes, then I would remove a lot of these extra loops, bake it down, and then fix that stuff. But I don't think you're going that route, so I'll just say the attention to detail is nice. This back wall here would probably be the weakest thing, except for this. You added that, and it brought it right back into the scene. I immediately understood like what the surface is, and okay, there's a picture mounted on it. I understand that there's more space back there, and there's really nice opportunity for light to bleed in, so that's really cool. Nice candle placement, because you get like if we go here and we do like a blur on it, well, that's not enough. That's not nearly enough. If we do this, you can see that like compositionally it's pretty much cut in half as far as lighting goes, which is really nice. um, yeah, yeah, this light being placed here is key. Great balance, great balance. um, let's look at your other stuff. So I remember that you were planning on redoing this scene. And I love these type of gifts to just kind of see what you were thinking and how you move forward when you did. It's like each step and process where it led to. So you can tell like the focal point from the beginning was this like chest. And that's awesome. Have a clear understanding of where you want to go with it. That's why you do blockouts, right? So and I remember you wanted to redo this, and I don't know if you ever started to or tried to. Progress gifs are sick. Yes, for sure. Um, I don't think so. I've never really been into the idea of redoing your own work because like that just sounds like it would be really tiring, right? Like maybe you lose interest really quickly. That and I would love to see the next thing you're gonna make, right? And the next thing you made is this guy. As far as props go, like you've got a weapon here that looks pretty cool. Oh man, yeah, no, that looks dope. Super cool. Venomous axe. Dude, the goo on there. Oh my gosh. That's great. Is it being stored in here? Oh yeah, this is cool. What? That's hilarious. An inflatable. That's strangely well done. Like, I completely understand. Like, I feel like I can feel it. But dude, I love this one. This is all. So this is Maya V-Ray. Yeah, that car was cool, right? I gotta look at it again. Like, oh right, I can't view this in my browser. It's like not supported, which is super weird. Man, that is cool. Quack. uh the inflatable side window thing. Oh, that's great. You imagine trying to pull that out? Super cool. Oh, dude, thanks for the Prime, man. Let's go ahead and look at this one. So I really like this one, and I think where it gets a little weird is the ruby. Like, I guess it's distorting just a little too much, so it's hard to read the, like, there's this detail normal that's happening on top, right? Or maybe that's sculpted on there. But if that was smoother and then you had like roughness scratches on that, it would, I think, tie in more to the fidelity that you're getting in the rest of the scene. But having all the monkeys holding it up, oh man, and the way that you're presenting the highlights and stuff is really, really nice. And the spider webs are freaking ace. Super, super well done. And then the last one is this model, which is pretty cool. I'm complete crap at characters, so this is impressive. It's impressive to me, and I like it. There's character behind it, so it's cool. But yeah. You're also quite active. That makes me happy. This is from Aladdin, actually. Yeah, this is the it's a ruby in Aladdin. But yeah, super well done. Love the material definition. I think that's it. I mean, I'm not sure. So the one thing I guess I would say is I'm not sure I know what you want to be. Like, I don't know if you want to get into film or if you want to get into game art. And then I don't know if you want to be more generalist. Right now it feels generalist film-esque. But if you're going for real time, maybe we need to start seeing real time scenes or scenes rendered in engines. And then a direction, like more characters, or you get like more props and environments. Yeah. Either way, solid stuff. Solid stuff. I'm gonna click on this real quick. That's great. Yeah, that's awesome. Nice work, man. All right, next portfolio. Tay next, fourth one coming up.